Yeah.
Hello Mike.
Hey, Jackie, vipi?
Yes, niko salama.
Habari ya podi.
Iko poa.
Mlichekwaje jina? Ama mlikuwa mnawala tu mkajipata mko na jina?
Mimi hata sikukuamini nilipata jina hiko. Sasa sijui wenye walikuwa kamiti ilikuwa aje. Yep.
So this is Symphonies.
Is it on GitHub?
Yeah, iko GitHub slash Venture Symphonies. I think kuna PR fulani yenye Federica alieka huko. Si huko. Yeah, we have hakudua PR ama ni branch tu. It branches explore Phoenix Live. Yeah, iko tu branch. Alafu acha nikutumie the thing. Then fetch upstream ama niko Symphonics, so nafanya fetch
So that's a branch you're working on Phoenix Live.
Yeah.
Okay, so how far have you umeenda umbali wapi?
Siwezi kumbuka. Last niliangalia ilikuwa like 2 or 3 weeks ago. I think kuna hiyo branch check out hiyo kitu haijakuja.
The link to GitHub.
Nimefetch hii branch. Nimefetch. Nafaa kufanya hivi.
Imekuja lakini stash.
Why stash?
Your local changes to the following files will be overwritten by checkout. So I switch your branch unless I'm a stash and I'm save the files.
Okay.
So then I do.
Yeah, you can. Yeah.
Big stash pop. Then
you have a conflict.
Yeah. Nimuone ni conflict gani bana.
Spacing.
Yeah. So can you accept current?
Yeah.
And then in my WTXS, ile place ya my database mwiko huku juu.
Pardon?
Ile place ya ma kuset up the dev db configuration. It's somewhere here.
Shuka chini in your dev. Config dev.
Oh, yeah, hii branch bado. Hii branch bado hawaja db. Tulikuwa tuna db na different branch. Okay. That makes sense. So so shida ilikuwa so that, and then now kwa hiyo branch I think Federico alieka ama kwa hiyo issue I think alieka nini so Phoenix Live is so where we left it.
Yes.
Just a minute.
Okay.
So say so kitu tulido add these codependencies, then generated these history assault, pipeline browser, so nasema next at the live view. Okay, maybe to go through together because Calvo aja do history live view ama ni commute. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Internet inaleta shida.
Yeah, it's
so I just shared this and I was saying
yes.
maybe we just go through the whole thing, the process
Okay.
from the start because Calvo maybe hajaangalia the live view thing.
Have you checked on the live thing?
Bado nilikuwa nimesema mimi bado sijaiangalia, so inaweza nisaidia kuielewa kwa
so I think sijui kama ni poa tukisoma like interns.
That's your opinion at the moment. Hello. Video letu potea.
Mike.
Hii zimepotea.
Nitaitwa
I
mayake.
think. Yeah. Naisikiki.
Kitu iko. Hilo ndio bei.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Tumerudi.
Oh, sawa. So sijui mnaona how do we go about it?
We could read and check on sample demos of what amefanya umsi.
Oh yeah, sawa.
Yeah.
So naweza soma the first two paragraphs. Phoenix Live enables rich real-time user experiences with server-rendered HTML. For more information, see that. The not currently live is under active development, and we are focused on getting stable and solid initial version out. Oh, I think this is not true anymore.
It's
With
not.
open issues. Okay, but I think they have a solid initial version out.
Okay.
Yeah.
But there was I don't think it's really solid exactly, but it just I think they're out to test if it works out well. That's what I could say.
Oh, they're testing the excitement.
Maybe, but I think he said that this may not be the official one. I'm not really sure about that. So let's just wait and see what happens.
Yeah, so as official guides are being developed, CI existing comprehensive, and all that, I think it's easy just to skip them. And then currently, yeah,
Unaweza Zoom.
Zoom.
Yes. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So installation. So it's only available on GitHub. So this is how you add the dependencies. So on the depths,
I think it's in Mix EXS.
yeah, Mix CXS on the depths. We add this, which is already there. So GitHub, Phoenix, Then once installed, update your endpoint configuration to include signing salt. You can generate a signing salt by running mix. Phoenix generates secret 32. I think we did do that. So in the config,
Mike.
Yeah.
Signing salt ni nini?
Salt, I think it's an encryption key or something. Sign in salt. Yeah, salt you tumika for.
Umeandika vibaya.
Yeah, nimeweka space. Ama acha nitafute tu salt encryption. Yeah, cryptography. So in cryptography, a salt is a random data that's used as an additional input to a one-way function that hashes data, a password or a passphrase. So inatumika inatumika kama additive venye salt hutumika. So ukiweka kwa hiyo data inaisalt, encrypt, kitu kama hiyo. So yeah, salts are used to safeguard passwords in storage. Historically, a password was stored in plain text on a system, but over time, additional safeguards developed to protect a user's password against being read from the system. A salt is one of those methods. So I think wampeana to the simple example ya hata ukiangalia DB unapatanga hiyo password field imekuwa hashed in a specific way. So yeah. So wanasema ati we just do Phoenix generate secret 32. I think we did run this, and in the config my app hii ilikuwa inaenda file gani? Ma in the config.txs.
Config dev.
Yeah, config dev.
No, I think either config dev or config. No, it's in config. Yes.
Yeah. Umeiona?
This one. The last one. Sasa use
The last one. Oh yeah, acha ni share. Sorry. I'm so mean. Acha ni get. Kuna kamtu kanalia huku nyuma, acha ni mget.
Yeah, live using salt.
Yeah. Hey. Sema hello. Sema sasa karibu.
Sasa.
Yeah. Huyu bado ni bubu.
Ataongea tu.
Yeah. Atapata stories za live views iliisha. So nimedo the live share. Alafu yeah, ulisema ndio hii hapa chini template engines Phoenix live view. But sa ile place ya kugenerate the budget zako wewe. No. So you can generate assigning salt by mix, then config. I think maybe stuff.
What you do, you will run mix pitches generate secret on your terminal. Then itakuletea.
I think tulishai run already.
So itakuletea some, is it?
So do I run it twice? Because Federico alishai run.
No need.
Yeah, so venye ili run, ndio maybe inafaa generate kitu. Acha ni search venye hii kitu iko. No results found. Oh, so maybe I need to. Need to run. Mix Phoenix generate secret 32. Oh, yeah. Okay.
Then I think since we generate yours, you'll have to update with that current one.
Current one ni?
No. Chini? You're not able to join the session currently, but shuka to Chini. You know, before, I think it's the last thing in that config the endpoint. The last.
Unajua unaangalia ama wewe uko file gani dev?
No, config.
Above configures Elixir's logger.
on line 15 and 16.
Line 15 and 16. Ah, okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So you may generate your salt. Oh shit. I do need. Maybe I don't need to update Juiko already.
Okay.
Yeah, alishaiweka so yeah. And then akaongeza my web update endpoint. Hii nimesearch sijaona. Okay, but I think niyo yenye mnasema yeah.
It's just that one. The same one.
It's settings. But you know it's different because hii inasema signing salt. Signing salt live. Oh yeah. I think history of secret salt ili confuse. Okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, how did I not get that? So update your configuration to enable writing live view templates with the that. Yeah, I think this one also we did. So template engines tuliongeza
ndio hapa chini
hapa
kwa
hivi.
29.
Yeah, and then
where pardon sijaona
nimepada
29. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, seen it.
Yeah, and then next add the live view flash plug to your browser pipeline. So pipeline ukua kwa
Then that is in your router or endpoint, between those two. Actually, it's your router.
Jackie unawak na wase. Yeah, by the way ni hapa.
Yeah, after
browser.
After fetch flash. After the plug, fetch flash in line 7.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
that's
protect. Yeah.
So
Phoenix love you.
So
tujaongeza?
tujaongeza. And just continue actually.
So mmeweza kujoin bado? Ama net ni mbaya?
Acha nitry kuconfigure hiyo extension.
Acha niweke tu hapa juu wameiweka hapo pia wao.
Ana mic.
Yes.
Hiyo extension ya kuconnect hiyo inaitwaje?
VS Code Live Share. Then add the following imports to your.
Okay.
Yeah, hebu nini ndio tu mob type hizi vitu bana. Ama tunaweza copy paste. Juzi kuna msal ni show mazee hizi vitu copy paste tu bana. Una waste time. The time you spend typing, you could spend learning another thing.
Yes.
So,
but no man.
Let's try to join.
Yes.
Open
Join. Yes.
No, I launch. Probably high sensing. Get started. Join. Join now. Screen.
Imekataa?
Tunajaribu kujoin. ndo acha tuone kama itakubali.
Okay. So, add the following and post your web file in lib app web.
Ni Chrome.
Niangalie hiyo file. Na kupima wewe. Appweb.x. Think it in anything. We'll have to click that file.
Pardon?
Kuna hiyo file ya lib appweb yenye tunafaa kuongeza those stuff. I think it's not there.
Yeah, it's supposed to be added manually.
Yeah, I think ni venye. Oh. Wacha.
Hiyo inafaa kutulodia hapa but load inasema necessary for authentication.
Mike.
Yeah, imekataa.
Kind of.
Okay.
I think it will be a one participant session. Mmoja ndio ana participate, wale wengine wanaingia.
Venye nilikuwa na hope mjoin ndio mdrive. Cause hao watu wanaanza kuni my app web.ex. New file.
Ana create on it.
Wait, that app is already there. That file is actually already there.
Wapi?
Symphoniesweb.ex I think ndo hiyo.
Okay.
Delete the file at yes.
Below router.
The file below router.
Below.
Oh yes, that one.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then wanataka to add
At the
find
view,
do.
we import live view.
I think iko. Haiko. Eka tu.
So anywhere here.
Yeah, you can just. I prefer if it will be the last thing. Yes.
Tunafungiwa.
Mnataka kuishia?
No, not yet. We can negotiate about that currently, but let's see.
Okay. Yeah, msifungiwe bana.
Not yet. So we add that our view will have a Phoenix Live view and our router will have a Phoenix Live view, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then next expose a new socket for the live view updates in your app and plan mode. So
Yes.
this ilikuwa kwa file gani?
Your socket is in your router.
Then
no, endpoint.
kuna file inaitwa endpoint.
Yes. That
Then
one.
ndani ya endpoint kuna
The first
socket.
At 4, the first socket is the normal socket we use.
Yeah.
So we'll add that socket ndio tulikuwa tunatumia sasa.
So tuta delete hii.
No.
Okay.
Add tu. Unaweza iweka juu yake ama after?
Make after.
I think this WebSocket true is for sockets.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So after this.
Yeah. I'm not sure the
It should go.
syntax of that. Yeah, that's okay.
And then
Yeah.
package JSON. So easy niongeze kwa the dependencies.
You actually don't have to add everything. Just add the last one. The Phoenix Live View, the last dependency. Yeah, that one only. The reason it's because the current dependencies iko na hizo mbili za juu.
Okay.
Yeah, unaziona ndio hizo mbili.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No.
And then npm install.
So you need.
I prefer you don't.
When the assets.
Yes.
Unataka nitumie yana?
No, just run. I ran this command and it ended up crashing my whole npm modules, so I don't know. You're good.
Okay. And then enable connecting to a live view socket in your app.js. So first, you need to import this. And let live socket. There equals new live socket. Next connect, yeah. And then finally, by convention, live is a saving the lib my app live directory. Live page reload support at the following pattern. Yeah. Nilikuwa wapi? Tuna distract.
Ulikuwa hapo
You've added the connection to meaning.
Yeah, to share the then finally by convention, live users saved in lib directory for live page reload support add the following to your config dev.txs.
Yes.
So live reload hapo ndani ya live reload tutaongeza hii.
Yeah.
Yeah. Dev.txs. So kuna place inaitwa live reloads hapo hivyo patterns.
Yeah.
Then we add this guy.
Yes.
Then you can also optionally import the style.
Mike.
Yeah.
Si tunafaa kuchange in my app ikue hiyo jina ya app yetu.
Hii I think hii generatiwa nayo.
Sit here. Config your app name is symphonies.endpoint.
Hapo mali tumeongeza hiyo nini ya mwisho, tumeweka my app web live. Sasa tungeka symphonies.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I think you have the eagle-eye calvo.
Hata sikuwa nimeona.
Yeah, bana, hiyo ni the eagle. So you can also optionally import style,
Yes, yes, yes.
update CSS file.
Yes.
So let me just do this. I don't want to be the optional guy.
Assets of CSS.
Yep. At import. Oh shit. Yeah. You can also import. Nachukia hii maneno at you can.
Si
Like
lazima,
it's not.
si lazima
Yeah.
ufanye, but unaweza
Just
fanya
use
tu.
it.
You can also import formatter .txs, import deps, Phoenix Live. So you need formatter.exs.
Yeah.
So then you import depths. So they have Phoenix here, but sasa tutaongeza Ecto, Phoenix Live. Maybe tuongeze tu Phoenix
Yeah.
because Ecto itaongezwa from.
You loaded your app without Ecto.
Yeah. Create without Ecto. No. Tabia gani hiyo? There. So yeah, and then what?
That's the end of a setup.
Okay.
Yeah, but what? There's
So
nothing.
we need to go read these Phoenix Live View EX Phoenix Live View like hapa hivi ndio wamedocument venye wanaitumia.
I think so, but is this not on the view side?
On there?
Sijasoma hii documentation, so I don't know much of it.
Yeah, so maybe the next step ni ku yeah, cause maybe in the development one. Yeah, so maybe next tutageta vlog ya ku baby, nyamaza, nitakuchapa. Hey, choke. Pole. Pole. So
Oh no.
na play tu na emotions zake alafu anarudi anapata equilibrium.
I didn't notice.
Yeah. So I don't know. Kuna blog fulani Federico alishare, maybe I'll share that so that you guys don't get locked up. Nitashare hiyo blog and then maybe was it this? I think ilikuwa. Yeah, you guys muli check out.
Yeah, but yeah. I didn't finish kuiangalia yote.
Ama yeye pia ana nini tu.
Ana?
Yeye pia ana set up defining a love view. Yeah, hapa hivi. So I think from here now it's starting to create something. So hapa hivi rendering view from the controller, then akisha add to the dependencies, alafu yeah, I think this is what tunaweza tumia next time ku do the thing, and then I'll make sure I start in time. So yeah,
Inafaa kuanza saa ngapi?
6 but
Six.
yeah, but kubabysit ilinifanya ni postpone because yeah.
Sawa.
So mi ukuwa na hii session every weekend 6. So yeah, I think kama mtapata time maybe hata next weekend, ama kama mnaweza taka ikue earlier mnaweza sema, so we have an earlier session and yeah.
Bit early.